Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download Pokemon Unbound on Android. First, install a GBA emulator. Since Pokemon Unbound is a Game Boy Advance hack, you need an emulator to run it. Popular options on the Google Play Store include MyBoy, highly recommendable stability, John GBA, and RetroArch uses the MGBA core. Step 2. Get the required files. You need two specific files to create the game. Number 1. The base ROM. You must have a clean ROM of Pokemon Fire Red Squirrels version. Note, for legal reasons, you must source this yourself from your own backups or trusted archives. Number 2. The Unbound patch file. Download the official .ups patch file from the Poke community thread or the official Discord. Next, patch the ROM. You need to apply the Unbound patch for your Fire Red ROM. You can do this entirely on your Android phone. First, go to an online patching tool like Mark Robledo's ROM Patcher. Next, upload your Fire Red Squirrels.gba file and patch file. Upload the Pokemon Unbound.ups file you downloaded, and finally tap Apply Patch. This will download a new file, which is your completed Pokemon Unbound GBA file, and finally play the game. Open your GBA file and navigate to your Downloads folder and select the newly patched Pokemon Unbound file to start playing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.